All right, check this thing out. We spent 5 days just moving soil around and smoothing out walls and smoothing out piers and cleaning up rocks and getting this crawl space remotely flat and traversable safely. All this room for storage. They're already utilizing it. They were utilizing it before, but this stuff was stinking. Not no more. Not no more. As a matter of fact, we had to do one side of it, put all their stuff on that side, and then do the rest of it. So we went out and bought them some drop cloths to put all that stuff on. We didn't mess our barrier up, but we got it done. We moved around it, whatever, we got it done. I was advised them to have these walls insulated. That's not something you can just cover with plastic. That would just cause a mold issue. That needs to be insulated, and then you can put a barrier of some sorts in there.